In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a way of how you can actually create an online business from which you can earn $500 per day. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create an online business from which you can earn $500 per day. This is a business that it has the potential to replace your full-time job if that's what you're looking for. But if you're looking to earn some extra money, that also can help because you can do it on your spare time. Let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page and I'm going to be sending or I'm going to be sharing all the details. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create an online business to make $500 per day. Something really important, guys, is that you need to understand that this is a business. So you need to treat this as a business. You need to have the right mindset. If you treat it as a hobby, that's the results that you're going to get. If you're serious, as if you maybe invest $150,000, to get a franchise, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be working as much as you can. But here it's way different. It's faster, but it's still a business. Okay. So that's a reason why we need to have the right mindset and we need to understand that this is a business. We need to understand that as an online business, you need to create content. This can be free or this can be paid. For example, right now you're watching this YouTube video. I'm not paying anything to promote this video. It's free content. I build it, record it, edit it, upload it. The same you can do with TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Those are videos that you can record. It can be 1 minute or less. Those are going to be free content. You can go and pay for advertising. That's the paid route. Okay, so you are paying to have eyeballs, people who are interested in what you're promoting, and that's going to be on demand. If you give, for example, Facebook $100, $500, it's going to give you that traffic. Okay. In my case, at the time recording this video, I'm almost everywhere, but I didn't start it that way. Most people don't know, but I started actually with Facebook groups. That was actually my very first strategy. After that, I was looking for a way in which I can have more evergreen content. So I dominate Facebook. Then I did the transition to YouTube. And right now I have a TikTok account. I have an Instagram account. And I also post in Facebook Reels. Okay. But I made it like a transition. Okay. First I was on, and this is my route. That doesn't mean that you need to follow it. First I was on Facebook. Then I was on uh, YouTube. Then I tried with Instagram. I didn't get results. So I switched to TikTok. Um, then I, start to understand Instagram and now I'm everywhere, but it took some time. So you need also to understand that you need to be consistent if you want to have really good results. Okay. Don't be like, today I'm going to be doing this. The next day I'm going to be doing that. Use one platform, the one that you feel more comfortable about. For example, if you spend a lot of time on Instagram, chances are that that's a platform that you enjoy. Okay. So be consistent, understand that this is a business. Again, treat it as a business. You need to create content pretty consistent if you want to generate leads because every single business, it doesn't matter it is an online business or it is an offline business, we need leads. If we don't have leads, we are not going to have the opportunity to, have a sustainable business. Yes, chances are that right now you're thinking like, okay, Diana, I want to, get my, a couple of dollars super fast. That's my goal. I understand because at the beginning, I was looking to get some extra cash as fast as humanly possible. At the end of the day, I was able to replace two full-time jobs because I was pretty consistent, and it doesn't matter if I didn't have that much spare time. I was willing to sacrifice it because I knew there was something better. Okay. You need to build an email list. Okay. I'm not 100% sure, but chances are that you already hear that expression that says that the money is actually in the list, which is pretty true. We don't own the social networks. Okay. They can penalize your account. They can shut down your account for whatever reason. The algorithm change. You don't own that, but you own your email list. Okay. You own your email list. But in order to have an email list, you need to have a capture page. Don't worry. This can be a two-step capture page, something super simple in which we're going to ask people for their name and email address. Then we are going to have another page that I call it the bridge page. And then you are going to refer them to the product or service you are promoting. With that said, because of the email list that you have, you're going to have the opportunity to promote more products. Okay. And also, you are going to have the opportunity to do follow-up. This is going to be automated. Okay. This is something that is automated because as soon as they give us their name and email address, we can send them more information about this. And we can also send them more information about other products as well and other services as well. Okay. So we are going to be creating a cash flow. This is how you actually earn money while you sleep because this system, it's going to be working for you 24/7. Okay. Because you're not going to be answering people questions, you know, every single day, every single hour. No, this actually is going to be working for you 24/7. Right now, the tool that I'm using to build this is called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually use it so you can create a free account. With this, you're going to have the opportunity to make sales. In my case, I like to promote other people's products and services with what it's called affiliate marketing. Okay, with what is called affiliate marketing, I like that. I like to promote other people's products and services because it gives me a lot of opportunity to earn money. I don't have to spend time creating the product, dealing with customer service, tech support, all that stuff. So this is it, the best business model, at least for me, if you are looking, to earn money while you're having a 9 to 5. Okay. So with the system in place, you're going to have the opportunity to earn sales on the front end and on the back end. Here I put upsells. Why do I put upsells? Because you're going to own your customer and you are going to have a value ladder. Okay. So how does this works? Okay. How does this works? You can create your own value ladder. It doesn't matter you're affiliate, but you can also partner with programs who already have a value ladder. You can give something here for free. Maybe this one is going to be a $27 product. Maybe this one is going to be $1,000 product. This can be a 10K. And maybe this one is going to be $97 per month. This is just an example. This is a value ladder. As an affiliate, most of the time, you just need to refer people to the free product, and the company is going to be doing the rest. Yes, you can create an automated email, by telling them like, hey, we have this and this and this. Check this. And again, this is how you actually earn money while you sleep. And this is how actually you are going to have the opportunity also to break even if you're doing pay ads. Because maybe you spend, $27 to get a customer. And here your first product is $27. After that, everything that he bought is pure profit. And because you own the customer, you're going to have the opportunity to earn money from all the products. Remember that this is something that you can create as an affiliate, or also you can partner with programs that they already have the value ladder. At the end of the day, guys, this is a business model. As I mentioned before, you need to treat it as a business. If you want to learn more about my number one recommendations to make money online, check out the very first thing in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.